A good sofa does more than fill a room. It changes how a space feels, how people rest, and how long they stay a little too comfortable to stand back up. The Ihanherry Cloud Sofa understands this quiet responsibility. At 77 inches wide, it is made for smaller living spaces, yet it carries itself with the confidence of something much larger. The first impression comes from the fabric. Wrapped in soft chenille, the surface feels warm, breathable, and welcoming. It has that sit once, stay a while quality that makes time slow down. The texture is gentle on the skin and visually calming, leaning more cream than white, which helps brighten a room without feeling cold or sterile. This color choice opens up smaller spaces and plays well with almost any accent, from bold pillows to neutral throws. Comfort is clearly the heart of this design. The cushions are thick and generously filled with a double-layer high-elastic sponge paired with fluffy filling. The result is a seat that feels soft but never collapses under weight. It supports without pushing back too hard. Sitting feels natural. Lounging feels effortless. Long conversations, movie nights, and lazy afternoons all fit easily into its rhythm. The ergonomic design adds to that sense of ease. 2 backrest pillows and 2 removable armrest pillows provide extra support where the body needs it most. These pillows mold gently to the back and waist, offering comfort without forcing posture. They feel less like accessories and more like part of the sofa's personality. Everything is soft, forgiving, and inviting, yet still structured enough to feel intentional. Flexibility is another quiet strength. The Ihanherry Cloud Sofa uses a modular design, allowing each piece to be moved and rearranged with ease. The layout can change with the room, the mood, or the moment. Rearranging the seating takes minutes, not muscle. This kind of adaptability makes the sofa feel less permanent and more responsive, especially in homes where space needs change often. Underneath the softness is a solid foundation. The frame is built from high-quality solid wood, giving the sofa a sturdy and dependable feel. Each seat supports up to 440 pounds, which speaks to its durability and thoughtful construction. The seat depth of just over 25 inches hits a sweet spot, accommodating different body types and sitting styles without feeling shallow or overly deep. Assembly is refreshingly simple. All parts arrive numbered, tools are included, and the instructions are clear. Even with multiple boxes arriving at different times, the actual setup process is smooth and manageable. One person can assemble it without stress, usually within 30 to 60 minutes. The modular pieces click together in a way that feels logical rather than frustrating. Visually, the sofa elevates a room without shouting for attention. It has a modern, relaxed look that feels current but not trendy. Guests notice it. Compliments come easily. It looks polished but approachable, stylish without feeling precious. The washable chenille fabric adds peace of mind, especially in busy households. Light maintenance keeps it looking fresh, and throws blend naturally into the overall look. There are small logistical quirks, mostly around delivery tracking when multiple boxes are involved, but they fade quickly once the sofa is assembled and in place. What remains is a piece of furniture that feels thoughtfully designed, well-priced, and genuinely comfortable. The Ihanherry Cloud Sofa is not trying to impress with flash. It wins by doing the basics exceptionally well. Soft where it should be, sturdy where it matters, flexible enough to grow with a space, and calm enough to make a room feel finished. This is the kind of sofa that quietly becomes the favorite seat in the house and stays that way.